Is there a dark red and a light red?
It's red, you know?
Claire, do you like the letter I or the letter, what's the other one?
New Mexico State.
Do you like N or I?
I like I.
Alright. Red or green?
Green. I like dark green.
Baylor or South Dakota State? Baylor is green. What is South Dakota State?
I don't know.
Two.
Cheese.
Wait a minute.
Do you like the letter B or the letter S?
Yes.
S? Upset.
Okay, baby, I'll get you.
Okay, you want Notre Dame or Xavier? Blue or yellow?
Light blue.
Duke or Lehigh? Blue or brown?
Blue.
Hey, Claire, can you say go Carolina?
Say go Duke.
Go Tar Heels!
Go Tar Heels.
Woo!